Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Russ and Guitar. This will be a quick one. It's Russ and Jessy Blakemore. They collaborate on Recognize, a great song. It's only 2 chords back and forth, and we love that scenario when you can focus on just performing and having a good time, not too much advanced things. Sometimes that's cool as well, but this time, yeah, it's very, very easy. Let's go into it. And as you can see, it's clean on the fretboard, no need for any capo. 2 chords, like I said. We're gonna start with the F major 7. All right, so that goes 3rd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. If you want to, you can also add up this 3rd fret A string. So you incorporate that C note, so it will be C/F major 7. It's up to you, it gives you more depth and bass to it, but yeah, anyway, F major is good enough. That's the first chord, and then the second and last will be this G6 chord. It goes 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, open B, open E. And you're just gonna alternate these 2 chords. Now, let's go into the strumming. So yeah, we're gonna play this. You're gonna start with down, up, clap, down. So 1 down, short pause, and then up, clap, down. Then you have a short pause there, and just finish off with down, clap. And you just roll that. So if you connect these 2 parts, it will be down, up, clap, down, clap. Okay, you're gonna play one of these per chord. So you're just gonna alternate, like I said, from the beginning to the very end, like this. Okay guys, like I promised, a very quick one from Russ and Jessy Blakemore, Recognize. Hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, play tuned.